Hello and welcome back to another video. Let's focus on a discussion essay. As usual, we need to understand this statement. Some believe that competition in work, school, and everyday life helps people succeed, while others argue that teamwork matters more. So obviously it's about competition and teamwork. There are two views here, and we need to discuss both of them and then give our opinion. Discussing views here means that you need to focus on each view and say why those people hold those views. Or in simple language, you need to say why they think like that, why they think competition is more important than cooperation or teamwork. And then you need to provide your view. You should say if you agree with view 1 or view 2, or you totally have a different view. So for view 1, I think they believe in that view because competition makes people work harder and do better. For view 2, teamwork helps people do difficult tasks together and learn from each other. Now, my view, I think both are necessary. In order to organize your essay, you could use these two options. Option 1, you can start with your introduction, then discuss view 1, then view 2, and write your conclusion. And you can mention your view both in your introduction and in your conclusion. Option 2, which I'm going to use, is to write your opinion also in a separate paragraph. So I will write my introduction, I'll discuss view 1 and view 2 in the body paragraphs. Then I will write a separate paragraph to discuss my view, and finally I will write my conclusion. I will also mention my opinion both in the introduction and in the conclusion. So let's begin. As usual, I'm going to start with the paraphrase. Some believe that competition in various aspects of life, such as work, school, and daily activities, leads to success, while others argue that cooperation is more important. Now, my answer. In my view, both are essential, and striking a balance between them is a key to achieving success. Now, let's focus on the words. Lead to, result in. Cooperation, working together to achieve something. Essential, very important or necessary. Striking a balance, finding the right mix between two things. Key, most important or crucial. Now the collocations. Various aspects of life. Daily activities. Leads to success. Striking a balance between. Key to. Achieving success. Now, let's begin the first paragraph. I'm going to discuss view 1. Remember I said competition makes people work harder and do better. Competition pushes individuals to improve and perform at their best. So this is my topic sentence. I need to explain. By comparing themselves to others, people are encouraged to work harder and set higher goals. So if you remember, in the question we had 3 parts: education, workplace, and daily life. So we need to cover all of them. I'll start with education. In education, for example, students competing for high grades often adopt effective study techniques from their peers. Now, workplace. Likewise, in the workplace, competition can drive innovation as employees seek better ways to accomplish tasks and gain an advantage. Now, everyday life. Even in everyday activities like sports or hobbies, competition can serve as motivation, pushing individuals to train harder and achieve more. Now, the words. Push somebody to do something, motivate or encourage someone to take action. Perform at their best, do as well as possible. Set higher goals, aim for greater achievements. Adopt, start using or following something new. Effective, producing the desired result. Techniques, methods or ways of doing something. Peer, someone at the same level, example in school or work. Thrive, strong motivation or determination. Innovation, a new idea or method. Accomplish, successfully complete a task or goal. Gain an advantage, get a benefit over others. Now the collocations. Push individuals to. perform at their best, comparing themselves to others, work harder, set higher goals, competing for, adopt effective techniques, drive innovation, seek better ways, accomplish tasks, gain an advantage, serve as, train harder, achieve more. Now let's focus on the second view. I said teamwork helps people do difficult tasks together and learn from each other. Now let's begin. On the other hand, cooperation allows people to combine their strength and support one another. This is especially useful when dealing with complex tasks that require teamwork. Now, school and workplace. In school and work environments, collaborating with others makes it easier to complete projects efficiently as tasks can be divided based on each other's skills. Now, daily life. The same applies to daily life, where working together with family or friends makes difficult tasks more manageable and enjoyable. Now, the words. Cooperation, working together to achieve something. Combine, join or bring things together. Deal with, manage or handle a situation. Complex tasks, difficult or complicated jobs or activities. Require, need or demand something. Work environments, the conditions and setting in which people work. Collaborate with, work together with someone on a task. Efficiently, in a way that uses time and resources well. Apply to, be relevant to or make use of something in a specific way. Manageable, easy to handle or control. Now the collocations. Allows people to combine their strength, support one another, dealing with complex tasks, require teamwork, work environment, collaborating with, make it easier to, complete projects efficiently, applies to. Now, the third body paragraph, my view. I said both are necessary. I believe that neither competition nor teamwork should be prioritized over the other. I need to explain. A well-rounded approach allows people to develop essential abilities that contribute to success. Regardless of the environment, individuals who continuously develop their skills while also collaborating with others tend to achieve greater results. Rather than opposites, competition and cooperation should be seen as complementary strengths that drive personal and professional growth. Now the words. Prioritize, to give more importance to something over others. A well-rounded approach, a balanced way of dealing with something. Contribute to help bring about a result or add to something. Regardless of, without being affected by or considering something. Complementary, working well together or enhancing each other. Now the collocations. Neither nor, prioritized over, a well-rounded approach, develop essential abilities, contribute to success, tend to, achieve greater results, should be seen as, complementary strength, drive personal and professional growth. Now it's time to write the conclusion. I'll start with an introductory sentence. In conclusion, both competition and cooperation play an important role in success. Now I summarize the main points and repeat my opinion. While competition encourages self-improvement and innovation, cooperation helps people work effectively as a team. A balance between the two ensures that individuals can grow, achieve their goals, and contribute positively in different aspects of life. Now the words. Encourage, to give support or motivation to someone. Self-improvement, the process of improving one's skills, knowledge, or character. Ensure, to make sure that something happens. Contribute, to help bring about a result or add to something. Now the collocations. Play an important role in, encourages self-improvement, helps people work effectively, a balance between, achieve their goals, contribute positively, different aspects of life. Alright, I wrote 309 words for this essay, and I organized it in 5 paragraphs. In my introduction, I simply paraphrased the statement and wrote my answer. In my first body paragraph, I discussed view 1, and I mentioned all 3 parts: education, workplace, and daily life. In the second body paragraph, I did the same thing for the second view. In the third body paragraph, I discussed and explained my view. I summarized the main points and restated my opinion. Alright, hope you found it useful. Have a nice day.